Introduction to AutoCAD User Interface. AutoCAD offers a feature-rich interface that allows users to create and modify drawings efficiently. Let's delve into the key elements of the AutoCAD interface. 1. Menu bar. 2. Ribbon. 3. Tool palettes. 4. Command line. 5. Model space and layouts. 6. Status bar. 7. Navigation tools. 8. Object properties. 1. Menu bar. The menu bar, located at the top of the AutoCAD window, contains a list of menus that provide access to various commands and settings. Also, it includes options for opening and saving files, modifying objects, and customizing the software's behavior. 2. Ribbon. The ribbon is a prominent feature in AutoCAD. Located just below the menu bar, it consists of multiple tabs, each containing panels with related tools and commands. Also, the ribbon simplifies the user experience by organizing the extensive functionality of AutoCAD into logical categories. 3. Tool palettes. Tool palettes are dockable windows that contain a collection of tools, blocks, and other resources. They provide quick access to frequently used commands and allow users to customize their workspace by creating their own palettes. 4. Command line. The command line is a text-based interface located at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. Also, it allows users to enter commands, options, and coordinates manually. The command line also displays important messages and prompts for user input. 5. Model space and layouts. AutoCAD uses a two-dimensional 2D drawing environment called model space. This is where you create and edit your drawing. On the other hand, layouts are used to present your drawing in a printable format, such as paper or PDF. They allow you to define multiple views of your drawing on separate sheets. 6. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the AutoCAD window and provides information about the current status of the software. It displays important details such as the current drawing units, SNAP mode, and ortho mode. The status bar also contains several toggles for frequently used features like 7. Navigation tools. AutoCAD User Interface offers various navigation tools to help you navigate and manipulate your drawing efficiently. Also, these tools include Zoom, Pan, and Orbit, which allow you to zoom in and out, move the view, and rotate the drawing, respectively. 8. Object properties. The Object Properties window displays detailed information about selected objects in your drawing. Also, it allows you to modify properties such as color, layer, line type, and thickness. Understanding and utilizing the Object Properties window is essential for maintaining consistency and accuracy.
Be strong.